What's up guys, here's Suzy21 here and we are going to play Minecraft video again. Of course, I always play Minecraft. So today we're gonna play Skyblock, my server. Well, on my other account, I'm an admin, but on this account, I broke my computer and, you know, those server files got deleted. Well, today we're gonna play is Skyflag. Yeah, Skyflag is the best thing in my server. Well, I'm gonna be making a new server with my friend, so hope you guys like the server. I think, yeah. And the server IP will be in the description all the time. It's gonna be the best. What is this to do? Just to make them easy to, because kill you. Oh, I'm alive. I'm alive. Also, in the Skyflag, what you're supposed to do is that you're supposed to go capture the flag. It's not actually a flag, but you know, you're supposed to capture this place, and you're supposed to kill everyone and steal their. I keep falling in, like, and you're supposed to bomb everyone's. Let me check the. Yeah, you should get this mod called Optifine. It's very good, and sort of like the part like about top of the game menu is it has Bandicam on it. Yeah, that sucks, you know. Whoa, did you see that? Oh. It's my server and I suck at it. Whoa, yeah, whoa. Why didn't I hate it. It lags. It lags. You know, like, it lags. You know that word. Lag. I'm parkouring. Oh my. Thanks, lag, for saving my life. I hate, my server has lots of lag, so that's what I hate about my server. Well, oh, kill that dude. So what you're supposed to do is, oh yeah, thanks. It's like the lag saved my life. What you're supposed to do is explode the other team's base. That's what you're supposed to do, and I know the trick how to get one more arrow in this game. When you keep falling, you keep doing that, and then when you lift it, it doesn't count. It counts as you shot it before you die. So when you pick the other arrow, you get it. So oh yeah, I got a TNT, and the TNT that goes 64 and these, that's a plugin that I have. My friend Jake made it, and he's awesome. You better check his channel. I've been playing Let's Play with him, but it sucks. I died. Really? I died again? Oh, whoa, that was Cartoon's fault that I died. It's so stupid. I don't get why people doesn't really have to die. It's like, I usually die like only 2 times. Oh, not today. But look, guess I'm making a video. Yeah, I can't jump there. Can't jump that either. I can't jump that either. What's wrong with this map? Whoa. Well, so what you're supposed to do is, you see that flag there? You're supposed to that. So what I'm gonna do is do that. people would do that. People would do that because my friend Jake did it. And it's stupid. People in Minecraft. The person who plays Minecraft is not stupid, but crazy. Like, oh, I'm attacking. Holy crap, did I just die? Oh crap. I'm gonna wait for the TNT here. I'm just joking. Oh, see? Oh. This guy over here is a great creator, I think. See that? That is like... Ow. Die. I'm not attacking on target. What you're supposed to do is you have to go to the enemy's flag and this is a flag. Oh, look way over there. You're supposed to get that. And I just saw a person just fall. You're supposed to change it into red, I think. Yeah. Jake helped me make this server. Actually, kind of got it, but well, you know, pretty awesome. Server IP will be in the description. And I think I'm gonna finish the video right here. Subscribe and leave me a like. Thanks for watching.